In celebration of National Community Health Center Week, the Alameda Health Consortium and the Community Health Center Network extend our appreciation to all clinic staff. While some individuals are receiving special recognition today, we want to congratulate all of you for your dedication and commitment to community-based health centers and the health of our communities. This reception is in your honor.
Today, we are thrilled to honor and recognize Team AHS OME, pronounced Team Awesome, because the team is just that, AHS Awesome. Made up of 12 AHS physicians, nurse practitioners, clinic and development staff, AHS alumni, and key community partners and supporters, Team Awesome led the way to raising over $43,000 towards our Pediatric and Family Care Center campaign through our participation in the Oakland Running Festival. This was nearly double the goal that the team was striving for. Led by our very own Dr. Susan Lowe and Victor Lee of Mass Mutual, our Team Awesome engaged over 190 runners and walkers, including our own staff, patients, community members, and even Assembly Member Rob Bonta. Team Awesome was named as one of the top 5 nonprofits by the Oakland Running Festival and was featured in Sing Tao for its innovative efforts to engage corporate entities and community members alike to strive for health while raising funds. Congratulations, Team Awesome, on motivating our patients and staff to be more active, and ultimately for building a more healthy and engaged community.
It is our great pleasure to be able to recognize one of our most wonderful dental providers, Dr. Tom Love. Dr. Love is specialized in oral surgery. He joined Asian Health Services dental program in 2010 after more than 3 years of retirement from his private practice. While he was in private practice, he was the only oral surgeon in Oakland that would accept Medicare referrals from us. This fact alone, and the many dental mission trips he has done in the last few decades in countries like Ethiopia, Guatemala, Cambodia, and his favorite Vietnam, speak volume about his passion to care for the underserved. Our community and patients are very lucky to have him on our staff. Thank you, Dr. Love, for your compassionate care to our patients and for your service at Asian Health Services.
Ms. Femi Vesperas immigrated to the U.S. in 1995 and shortly after enrolled as a patient at Asian Health Services. She came to the U.S. to be with her son, who served in the U.S. Navy for 24 years and was deployed multiple times, mostly to Iraq, leaving behind his family. In 2010, when the Filipino Patient Leadership Council was established, Femi joined as a founding member. Asian Health Services has 6 patient leadership councils where our patients serve as ambassadors and advocates to their community. Due to her leadership, she was nominated to serve on our board of directors in 2017. Femi is very involved in her community, including her church, and in helping her community members become naturalized citizens. Upon hearing about the public charge issue, Femi became very involved in her efforts to stop this harmful rule. She spoke out at press conferences, town halls, to the press, and to her community. Even though she is now a naturalized citizen and would not be directly impacted, she worried about new immigrants who are facing this new threat. She also worried about how this nation would miss out on the great contributions of immigrants like herself, her son who served 24 years in the U.S. military, and her entire family. During the public comment period, she single-handedly mobilized 250 comments from her community. She is a testament to how this nation is built on the strength of immigrants.
Hi, my name is Preston Duffichard. I'm the CEO of the West Oakland Health Council, and I'm proud to nominate the IT department. The reason for this nomination is because of the IT department's role in helping us transition from the next-gen software to Epic, our new electronic health record system. I think I told Ralph Silber earlier in the year that I'd been dining on anxiety before we went live with Epic, and our IT department came through with flying colors. The transition went just as planned. There were no major breakdowns or blowouts. The landing was smooth, even though the skies were turbulent. I want to thank Dwayne Fisher for leading this effort, with terrific team assistance from Leslie Pruitt, the ultimate professional, you can tell by her glasses. Pei and Jessica as well, who were part of the data information team. Congratulations to everybody. It was a terrific effort, and we are up and on our way out into the future.
La Clínica's award for excellence in advocacy goes to Dolly Davar, our pharmacy in charge, who for the past 15 years has dedicated herself to providing high-quality pharmacy services to the underserved and uninsured patients of La Clínica. Dolly has found her true calling in this work and values the spiritual wealth she has found at La Clínica, which far exceeds, she shares with us, what she felt while working in the private sector. Dolly has recruited a similarly dedicated, hard-working staff that shares her mission, and as a group, they are highly esteemed by patients, providers, and staff alike. Managing 2 large pharmacies showcases Dolly's tremendous organizational and communication skills. As hard as she works, she's always ready with a smile, a kind word, a conversation whenever one is needed. We are truly honored to have Dolly as part of our family and salute her as La Clínica's Advocate of the Year. La Clínica's award for outstanding results goes to our incredible planning department. Under Professor Anita Addison's direction, the planning department is responsible for the grant writing and administration of over 150 federal, state, county, and private grants every year, bringing in over $30 million in annual revenue. Their hard work, strategic thinking, and persistence are imperative in allowing La Clínica to continue providing affordable and accessible healthcare for our communities. The planning staff is always ready and willing to jump headfirst into projects as they're needed, whether it be parking studies, the analysis of the impacts that public charge will have, licensing, or contract negotiations. Planning can always be counted on to get the job done. La Clínica's planning department is a backbone to the organization, and I can think of no one else that deserves this honor more. It's not just the results that are outstanding, but each individual within that department. Thank you, planning, for all your hard work, and congratulations. We're so proud of you. Mauricio Lask is this year's recipient of the Mission Minded Focus Award. He is a gifted clinician, a gifted clinical supervisor and leader, and an all-around wonderful team player whose commitment to La Clínica's mission is evident every single day. His main role is the behavioral medicine specialist at San Antonio Neighborhood Health Center, and he consistently contributes to multiple programs in a leadership capacity. Dr. Mauricio's contributions to San Antonio over the past 5 years are significant and span patient care, provider consultation, and team-based care. He has managed to build therapeutic alliances with patients who are least willing to trust the medical system due to their past experiences, whether that's trauma or other mental health struggles. Mauricio is an exceptional clinician, supervisor, and teammate.
On behalf of the patients, members, and staff of the Native American Health Center, we would like to recognize and honor our Information Technology Department, who provides excellent service to our agency's 17 sites and over 300 personnel. The IT team works hard to ensure all systems run smoothly, ensuring the care provided to our members goes uninterrupted. Per our Chief Operating Officer, Anna O'Connor, our IT department staff are our unseen heroes who work endless hours to ensure our systems support all services. Each of the team members are kind, dedicated, and helpful by always answering calls, addressing tickets timely, and going the extra mile for staff across the board. They are also likely to tell a joke or two, putting the smiles on the faces of our staff. And the team has fun together. Many departments are inspired by their many fun activities, whether it's a potluck lunch, going out to dinner together, or spending a late night at the Journey concert. We would like to give a special recognition to the Director of IT, Ruel Empleo. Ruel has led the IT department for the past 20 years. He started as a department of 1 to now overseeing a team of 7. During his tenure, Ruel has built relationships across the agency and has been a crucial part of many systematic and cultural changes. The IT department has one of the highest retention rates of any department at NHC. They went over 4 years without any turnover. Recently, we celebrated Ruel's 20-year anniversary, and one of the IT team members, David Cagle, who has worked with Ruel for over 10 years, gave Ruel a tribute and noted that aside from his own father, no one has had such an impact on him as a person. That gives you a glimpse into the type of person Ruel is and why the team stays together. Not only is Ruel an effective leader and an important member of the leadership team, he is profoundly kind and devoted to his family. He takes care of his mother and inspires us with his devotion to her. Oftentimes, Ruel's mom will attend agency events, and we have been lucky to learn about his culture and history. We are truly grateful that we can acknowledge the IT team through this award. Per our CEO, Martin Wakazoo, our IT department's efforts have greatly improved communication with our patients, community, and staff. Thank you, IT team. We are proud and grateful to have valuable staff like you. We would like to express our gratitude in the native way with this honor song by Hector Patty.
Hey, hey, yo, hey, hey, yo, yo, hey, hey, yo, yo, hey, 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 yo, yo, hey, hey, yo, yo, ya, hey, ha, yo, hey, yo, hey, yo, hey, 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 hey.